So today, we're making no, you have to wait till the end to see it. We're making a album art cover with a Makers Rock YouTube collaboration. And stick around to the end, because I'm giving away the final product. One side done. Now I gotta do that side and the bottom piece. But I'll fast forward that for you guys. I tell you what, that blade is pretty awesome. I have a scroll saw, it doesn't work well, but that blade comes pretty darn close. It's a Timberwolf bandsaw blade that's a 14 TPI, 1/4 inch thickness, but 1/8 inch width. If you want to help support the channel, I've got some affiliate links down below of all of the tools that I've used, including these bandsaw blades. So if you want to help the channel out, click on those links down below. It's woodshopbits.com. They have bandsaw blades, they've got bits, they've got all kinds of stuff over there. They sent me some plug cutters and hinge pin jig. It's super cool. Check them out. All right, guys, I'm not gonna show you yet. Let's check out that beautiful footage. All right, guys, I think this turned out awesome. And again, this is a part of the Makers Rock YouTube Woodworkers collaboration. And we are giving these away. So if you want to win this, check out the link in the description to my website, fill out the form, and I'm gonna be drawing winners on May 6th. So if you want this awesome album cover, handmade by me, enter in that website link and I'll draw winners next week. Thanks for joining us on this build with Shepherd's Workbench.